showed you how to use C profile debugging technique. Now it is time to use this IDE that we have. We are using Visual Studio Code through the course, and I'm going to show you how to use this to debug your Python code. This IDE also has a part, this actually the services to debug the Python code. Also, PyCharm has these services, and also this Visual Studio Code. So here, the first one, which is Explorer, we have it, and also we have search, we have source control, and finally we have run and debug. Okay, in the left side. When I hit run and debug, you see I have here variables, and also I have watch, call track, and also we have breakpoint. So we're not going to talk about others, but the variables. Okay, and also right in here, run and debug, I have the Python file. You can hit this one, and also I have Python module and Python file, and also from here you can select the Python 2. Okay, then the Python will be right here. Now I selected this. I opened this file, which is the assertion file, and we have a method here, divide number with assertion complex, and also we have a divide by 0 error here. Okay, I want to debug this with this IDE and see what is it going to give me, how it is going to handle this. Okay, so I will hit this one, or I can hit F5 from my keyboard. So now I will use this one to see what is going to happen. Okay, so you see that the debugging, Python debugging is opened, and also the terminal is also opened, and now it is going to start trying to run this. Okay, it also gave me an error. It's okay. No connection could be made because the target machine actively refused it. Okay, that is okay. I'm going to run it again. Okay, for you maybe it is not going to happen. This is some kind of error with me only, with my computer, but for you maybe it's not gonna be happened. Okay, so now this time you see that it happened successfully, and we have an assertion here. Exception has occurred, assertion error. Okay, cannot divide by 0. So, and also it is showing me that it is in this line, line 2. Okay, we have one error here. Okay, that needs to be handled, and also we have special variable here, a which is 5 and b which is 0. How about global variable? I think we don't have any kind of global variable, but function variable we don't have them too. If there is anything that we need to see, will be listed down here, and also we can open the debug console here and we can find them here. For example, I want to see the a value, then I hit a and then hit enter, so it will give me the value for a. If I want to find out the b value, I will hit b and then hit enter. So you see the b is 0, a is 5. Okay, and I want to continue. I will say that that is okay. I want to continue. Then you have this one. I want to continue. Hit to continue, and then it will move down here. So again, it is telling me that exception has occurred, assertion error. Okay, when you call this function, it's giving me assertion error, cannot divide by 0. So again, right in here, we don't have any kind of variable to be seen, but I can see the result here. Okay, so let's go with result and hit enter. So okay, we don't have the result yet here because it is giving me an error here, cannot divide by 0. Okay, assertion error. I want to continue this again. We have continue in this one. It is step over. Okay, so we'll move up and also step into F1, step out, step into. Also we have restart, we have stop. Okay, I want to continue. So when I continue, if it moves back, now let's see if I have the error or not. Again, it's telling me that exception has occurred, assertion error, and it is giving me two things here. Okay, local variables. Okay, it's not giving me the result variable. Okay, it looks like we don't have any kind of result variable here. Maybe we have it. Okay, file string line 1 model error name result is not defined yet. Okay, that is because of the error. I want to continue it again. When I hit continue, again, you see in this side, it is giving me all the variable. And like this, I can handle it. Okay, I can handle it very easily. Again, I can hit this, and finally it finished. Okay, now if I hit A, it will not give me anything. Even I cannot type there. But in the terminal, you see that it is giving me the result that assertion error cannot divide by 0. So it is one way of doing this. Okay, let's go and change this to a number, like for example 2 now. I wanna run it again. Okay, start the debugging. And this time you're not going to have any kind of error or something, so it will be continue, and then it will finish, and it will give me the result like this. But the thing is, I want to stop right here to see the result. Okay, to see some kind of variable. So when I move my mouse over here, you see we have a red dot here. Okay, so I want to click left click here, and you see that the red dot is appears here. Now when I run the program, when the execution is in line 5, it will stop the program here. Okay, so let's see. Now that I want to run this, okay, in this line, it will stop the execution. Okay, okay, in return result, you see that it stopped. And right in here, we have A, we have B, and also we have the result, which is 2.5. Also in debug console, I can get them too. For example, I want to get the A, it is giving me. I want to get the B, I can get it. I can ask for a result, it is giving me. So after that, I want this to be in this line. Okay, after I hit continue, I want this to be stopped in this line. Okay, let's run it. Okay, now it is in this line, and it executed the program, and we are now into the function variables, and we have the result. So the result is 2.5. Now let's see with A. We don't have A because A is inside here. In this line, in this part, we don't have A, but looks like we do have result, right? When I hit result, it is giving me the result. So it is showing that right in here. In special variable, we don't have that. In variable like function variable, we have them. So it is how you can do this. Okay, I will hit continue and it will be finished. And here I can see the result. So it's how you can use your IDE, which is Visual Studio Code, and also we can do this with PyCharm. Now you learn how to use it with this IDE, that is Visual Studio Code, how to debug your Python program. Okay, you can do this with any kind of program. Okay, in Python, if it's no matter if it's small, big, or a complete system. Okay, you can do this all the time. It's better to do this. Okay, you learn how to debug in this section. So thanks for watching.